Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable dark theme in Microsoft Excel. So some few and easy steps you can easily enable dark theme in Microsoft Edge. So first method or first step you need to click on, first open your Excel and left side corner you see this file option. You see this file, simply click on it, and in this list you see this options, simply click on it. So now this type of screen will be open, so need to this office theme. So this is colorful, so click on this drop down, this white, you need to select dark gray, simply select dark gray and click on OK. So you see this office theme will be dark gray, Excel in dark. So some easy and few steps you can easily enable dark theme in Excel. But click on file options, this last, and this office theme dark gray. Select this one and click on OK. So you can easily enable dark theme in Microsoft Edge. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful and amazing videos, and share this video to all your friends, relatives. So thanks for watching again.